Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the HeatSign 20W fiber laser marking machine to mark animal ear tags. This machine is ideal for making animal ear tags. These are the plastic animal ear tags we will be marking. These ear tags are commonly used for livestock identification. The first step is to place the ear tag on the marking platform. Next, we adjust the focus to ensure optimal laser accuracy. Aim the laser beam at the surface of the ear tag for a clear, high-quality mark. Now, let's set up the software. Enter the details of what you want to mark, and start adjusting the position of the marking content as well as the size. Now start setting the parameters such as power, speed, etc. Thanks to the preview function of the software, you can see where the marking will appear on the ear tag. Once everything is set, start the marking process. The laser works quickly and efficiently without damaging the label, while providing a clear, high-contrast result. And here is the end result. As you can see, the markings are precise, clear, and durable, suitable for long-term use in any environment. Thank you for watching. If you are looking for a reliable, cost-effective, and versatile marking solution, the HeatSign 20W fiber laser marking machine is the perfect choice. Visit our website or contact us today for more information.